Hello everyone, this is Brent. This is my submission for Project7.1, Build Milestone for class GA 105, game, art, and animation. So here is my game. I have my player here who has only two animations at this point. We have the idle animation, and we have the walking animation. And here's the current level design. It's not big or well put together, but it's just put together to the point where everything is placed in this rifle area and works as I intended it to do, or intended to work as I wanted it to work. Right now these keys are pickups. As a player's character walks into them, they'll disappear and supposedly be marked down as one and so on as they get picked up ascending. But currently I could not get the UI to work properly for key pickup. But I do have the UI working for timer and the life. But another problem with that is the font I use for the timer and the life is smaller than what I needed. So there is an inconsistency for that. But at the moment for these posters I use for as checkpoints. And that's pretty much it. When the player walks into them, there's no powerful effect that happens around it. And that's pretty much it. I didn't have enough time to input the game start screen in there because I couldn't figure out how to implement my own game pause UI. But that's pretty much it. Let me show you how it functions. Okay, as you can see here, that's functioning fairly well. To move, use the arrow keys, left to the left, right to the right, and up to jump. As you can see here, I don't know if you can see it well, but there's a powerful effect for emanating outwards from the checkpoint after the player has made contact with it. And I made sure the jump was just high enough to reach the next elevation, which is the size of one cardboard box. And the pickups will disappear as soon as you pick it up. That's pretty much really it. As you can see here, the particle effect happens again. And the player is able to, if I have more time, the player will be able to hide behind the shelves from an enemy, which I was unable to create and animate due to the time constraint. But that's pretty much it for this level. Of course, there's some problem with construct where the animation doesn't work well in certain areas. As you can see here, the live numbers are smaller than the actual ones I actually made myself, and the numbers as well, which is, you know, is working perfectly fine, which I'm very well proud of. That's pretty much it. Guess what I can do next is show the event sheet. I had an event sheet working out or grouped together. Here's the player movements, codes. Here's the checkpoint codes. It's where if the player were to die, he would revive back to the checkpoint, which would be the posters. And here's the player death. If the player went outside the layout to destroy and needed counter destroy. Oh, that's nothing. That's what that green thing is. It's a camera. It follows the player. It goes place to place. And here's the code for the cheese pickup, where it adds 1 to the cheese, which is a variable on the player, and the system sets the cheese to the same as the player cheese, which is supposed to set the global number exactly the same where it is on the player's variable, but for some reason it's not taking. Here's the code for the camera thing, where it's set to the alert, where it follows the player. And here's the UI thing, where it sets the, where it displays the numbers for the cheese pickup, and this one's for timer, and this one's for life. If you are having problems with having the UI follow with the camera screen, or the game screen, you have to double click on UI and have to set parallax to 0, 0. That was the last thing I had to do before I submitted my project, which was set the parallax from 0 to 0, because I was having a hard time having the UI follow the game screen. Other than that, that's pretty much it. This is everything you see here on screen is everything I did myself. With help with YouTube, I'll manage to make it working to the point where I can say it actually functions to a decent degree. But that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and have a great rest of your evening. Bye.